Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to attach flashing to a brick wall. First, ensure your brick surface is clean and free of debris for optimal adhesion. Gather all your tools, including a hammer drill, a caulk gun, and essential safety gear. Accurately measure the area where the flashing will be installed to determine the precise length needed. Finally, select the appropriate flashing material, such as copper or aluminum, based on your project's requirements and local building codes. Now, let's prepare the flashing itself. Use sturdy tin snips to cut your flashing material to the exact dimensions you measured earlier. Carefully bend the flashing to conform perfectly to the brick wall's contours, ensuring a snug fit. It is crucial to create a slight downward slope, perhaps 1/4 inch per foot, to encourage efficient water drainage away from the structure. Don't forget to form small end dams to stop water from escaping laterally. With your flashing prepared, it's time for attachment. Begin by marking a clear installation line on the brick wall using a pencil. Carefully drill pilot holes into the mortar joints, avoiding the bricks themselves, at intervals of about 16 inches. Next, insert lead wedges or suitable anchors firmly into these drilled holes. Finally, secure the flashing tightly against the wall using corrosion-resistant screws or nails, ensuring a robust and lasting connection. The final step is crucial for a watertight installation. Apply a generous, continuous bead of high-quality, exterior-grade sealant along all the top and side edges of the installed flashing. This sealant is vital for creating a completely watertight barrier, preventing any moisture intrusion. Smooth the sealant carefully for a neat and professional finish. Lastly, thoroughly inspect the entire installation for any potential gaps or areas that might allow water to penetrate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.